create a Facebook business page. It's really easy to do if you follow these instructions. Just go to facebook.com/pages, and there you will see a green button that says Create Page. Click there, and you are given two options. Pick the one that best describes the page that you are trying to create and click Get Started. Then enter your page name. In this case, I'm going to put Tech Tip for Coaches. And then the category, Tech Tip for Coaches. Let me put here test. And the category, you can put something like coach, or in this case, I'm going to put like a product or service and click continue. Do not overthink this because you can edit this information later. Then the system will prompt you in other things, as for instance, to upload a profile picture. You can click there and upload one photo. If you don't have that, you can skip for now. You just go, select it, find it in your computer and open. Then step 2 here is upload the cover photo. You can skip it if you don't have one, because in the next screen you can do it again every time that you go to the page. The system is always giving you suggestions. If it's not the right moment, you can just skip it. And you see here the add cover again. You can click there. You can choose upload a photo and go find the image in your computer and select it. I will have a video specific about how to create these images. And then don't forget to click save. And you are done with the profile photo and the cover photo. Another important thing that you can do is add a button to create a call to action. And one of the easiest to create is learn more about your business. Select the Learn More option, click Next, and then put a website link. If you have a website, you can put your website. If it's your LinkedIn profile, you can put your LinkedIn profile, and then you click Finish. And now Learn More will take them to that site. So easy to do, and again, you can edit this later. Another thing that is nice to add is a short description for your page. You just go there and add a short description and save to continue. If you have a phone number or not, you can uncheck that and save to continue. And the website here is another place where you can put your website. All these things you can edit later in Edit Page Info that you always can get there by going to these 3 little dots and Edit Page Info here, and you will have here all the things that you can edit. Another place that is important to know where it is the tab About, that you just in the column here on the left, you click See More, then select About, and these areas where you can change the category, change the name, create a page username, and very important, you can add yourself as a team member. And this is important because it connects your Facebook page with your Facebook profile. And you just have to click there, OK, to do it. If you are still building and you don't want to do now, you just bypass it by now. But this is important to do. Then you can again click on that 3 little dots over there and view as a page visitor. So you will have the view of somebody that is not the administrator of the page. And then you are ready to spread the word about your page. You can switch back here, or if that doesn't work, just refresh the page. And you will be again in the administrator view. You will see here, invite people to like your page. If it's not there, again, go to 3 little dots there And you'll have the option here, invite friends. We'll pull out a window where you can select the friends and send the invitations. And you are done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And if you are a member of Tech Tips for Coaches, you have detailed tutorials with step-by-step instructions and screenshots on how to do this, and many, many other resources there. Learn, impact, and enjoy. This is Anna Melikian, the founder of TechTipforCoaches.com.